Welcome to Titan's Maxum Gun Maintenance Video Series. Here, you'll learn how to clean your Maxum gun after use to keep it functioning at peak performance. Follow the instructions in this video for cleaning both the Maxum 2 and the Maxum Elite guns. Before starting your gun maintenance, always make sure to turn off your turbine and spray some pressure off before you loosen the clamping lever and remove the cup. This will prevent a blast of paint making a mess. Now, drain the tube and wipe it down. Empty your gun cup and rinse it out. Next up, take your gun cup and fill it with a cleaning agent, for example water to clean latex paint. Install the cup back onto the gun yoke and close the clamping lever. Be careful not to over-tighten the lever or it will damage the cup anchors. It just needs to be snug. Power on your turbine and spray the cleaning agent through your gun until it is clean. Once you finish spraying, shut down the turbine. Next, remove the front retaining ring, air cap, and spring plate assembly. Inspect the needle and nozzle tips and clean them if needed. Reinstall your spring plate, making sure to align the plate tabs with the gun head, and reinstall your front air cap and retaining ring. Remember, only thread the ring down until the nozzle is flush with the air cap edge. Now that you've cleaned your gun's front parts, inspect the check valve and tube for any blockages or cleaning needs. Lastly, spray off some pressure again from the gun and empty the remaining cleaning agent from the cup. Rinse if needed and allow everything to dry. Thank you for watching Titan's maintenance video for the Maxum series gun. If you have any questions, please refer to your user manual or contact Titan's technical service team.